Senior Inspector Sanjay Shinde fired the final shot that took down the accused of Badlapur sexual assault, Akshay Shinde. He in fact died at the hospital. Mr. Shinde was a part of the team led by Pradeep Sharma, the famed encounter specialist, who has featured in the Netflix docu-series Mumbai Mafia as well. Sanjay Shinde has in fact was behind the shooting of the accused of the Badlapur sexual assault incident, accused Akshay Shinde at this point of time. And right now, in fact, this cop, Sanjay Shinde, was also a part of the encounter specialist team, which has also been featured in the Netflix docu-series. All right, Vishali, share more details of who is this person, in fact, who has been also a part of the shooting specialist team, where in fact he has also been in one of the featured in the docu-series of the Mafia gang as well in Maharashtra, and also how exactly the series of events did take place when the shooting happened.
See, basically, the complaint which has been filed by the culprit's ex-wife, that is the something because of which he was taken for the interrogation. And while taking him for the interrogation, he suddenly started firing on the police, and post that the police has also fired on him. But it's in a self-defense, police have fired on him. So certainly now there are a lot of questions which have popped up by the opposition parties, that, as far as the human rights is concerned. But what we are learning is that, the way he has attacked on the police, in a retaliation, the police have also attacked on him. But post that attack, after that fighting, police took him to the nearby hospital for the treatment, where he was declared dead. But this entire thing initiated when his ex-wife filed a complaint of rape. And for the interrogation, it was necessary to take him for the interrogation, and for that he was being taken by the police. And while taking him for the interrogation, he attacked on the police. This is what we are learning. However, there is a deep inquiry has been initiated. A lot of UBT leaders have also come up with saying that we all wanted him to die, because that's the justice that was needed. But the way he has been he has died, that is a lot of questions raised after that. The police who have fired. But what we are also learning, that the police made this attack in a retaliation, in a self-defense. So certainly police will also put forward their stand when this entire investigation will happen. Meanwhile, what we are learning, that post the inquiry has been announced by the Home Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. First, the police has reached to the location where the sequence has happened, the chronology, to understand what was what exactly happened at that point of time, to understand why this attack took place, and why police in a self-defense attacked on the culprit. So certainly the thorough investigation will take few more days, but meanwhile the war of words has already began, and there are a lot of reactions which are coming in. However, the Mahayuti is claiming that the kind of reactions that are coming in from the opposition party, is it something that they want to save the Balatkari or what? Meanwhile, we have seen that...
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.